listen up. Eyeshadow pilot, and it looks like I'm naked. Change your life. Lip, hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're just joining for the very first time, welcome. And let me just tell you right off the bat, no, I am not naked. This is not a nude channel. Told you I wasn't naked. In this video, we're gonna be talking about two main things. One, my all-time favorite LED travel makeup mirror that literally has changed my life, my makeup game, and my skin. Just the list goes on and on. So I will be talking about this and how I do my smoky eye using Kylie Jenner's eyeshadow palette. I never leave the house without my Mirvo from Project D Beauty. If you love to travel and if you are always on the road going from place to place, and if you love makeup, this mirror, I'm telling you, it is going to change your life. Well, first of all, it's super thin. It literally is the size of an iPad. It weighs nothing. It's foldable, so you can rest it on a bed, on a desk, in your car, anywhere. And you charge it with a USB cord. You could charge it in your car. You can charge it on an airplane. You can charge it at the airport. I think I charge it once and it'll last me all week. Now, look at how big the mirror is. See how thin the sides are? So you have a lot of mirror space. There are so many features to this mirror. I'm so excited to share it with you. Okay, there are 3 different light modes on this mirror. Let's start with the first one. This one is what's called a warm light. A warm light is great if you're going out with your girls for all your night activities. This way, when you're applying your makeup, it will look as if it's nighttime outside. The second one is a soft white light, and that's great for indoor activities. So if you're going to work, or if you're gonna be traveling in airports, whatever, if you're doing indoor activities, soft white light is great for applying your makeup to make sure your complexion and everything goes on like everyone else is gonna see it. The third one is your daylight. So that's for all of your outdoor activities during the day. The 3 different light features are going to allow you so you don't have cake face. Nobody wants that. The third thing you can do is adjust the brightness. When you push and hold, it will get bright, super bright, or dim it down. You bring this anywhere and you have your own makeup setup wherever you go. So if you travel with your family, your friends, you don't need to worry about everyone hogging the bathroom. You don't need to worry about bad lighting in the bathroom. Maybe there's only 1 mirror in the hotel room, or maybe you're getting ready with 20 girls. You have your own makeup setup right here. But now it's time for me to show you how I do my smoky eye using the Kylie Bronze Palette. It's award season, everyone's asking, Jess, how do you do your makeup? Why not just show you? So I've already done my foundation, contour, blush, all of that. I'll touch it up when I'm done, but I'm just really gonna focus on my eyes. And I am using my soft light because I'm going out tonight with my smoky eye. So now what I'm gonna do is finish up the look by getting rid of a little bit of the loose powder that fell, apply some mascara, and then I'll come right back to you. the Kylie Jenner Smoky Eye look is complete. I did it exactly step by step of how Kylie Jenner uses her own palette. Very bronzy, smoky. I just applied a little bit of eyeliner, some mascara, and of course a little bit of a lip, because we all know Kylie Jenner's all about her lip. So let me know what you guys thought of the smoky eye. Because of my mirror and the different light modes, I put it on soft light because of course this is a red carpet going out at night, girls' night out look. So the soft light actually shows you what the light will look like at night. So that means that I know exactly what it's gonna look like when I'm inside and when it's nighttime, thanks to this amazing mirror. So thank you guys so much for joining. Like I said, all the information about the mirror is in the description box below. And if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.